Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I think everybody is fine, right? Where I have stopped in the previous class, children? I think I have completed the first main A and B. Okay. C and D I have given you as a homework, children, but I am going to solve those from C to fourth main now only. Okay. See, if you have done the homework, you have to check it whether you have done it correct or not. If you have not done the homework, you have to write these all whatever I am writing on the board on the in the HW, children. Okay. Shall we start the class, children? Okay, see here, children, I am very bad of your papers. Why? Because you have not written very neatly and nicely and you have not taken a good marks. Why I am feeling bad? Because, children, that is the basic thing, right? 4 mark ಏನಿತ್ತು basic thing ಇತ್ತು addition subtraction from which standard you are going to study from first standard, right? ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅದು difficult ಇದೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ, unknown ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's okay, we can excuse, okay? But what happening here? You are losing the marks in the basic things itself, okay? That made me to feel sad, okay? See here, children, once again I am going to tell you, please be perfect with the addition, subtraction and the tables, okay? These are the heart of mathematics, okay? Onthara heart of mathematics iddangane ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Nothing and no one chapter is without addition and without subtraction, okay? ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು chapter, when you go for higher studies, that addition chapter also very useful, children. When you go for higher studies, subtraction also useful, then that tables also very useful, children, okay? You have time to learn these all the things. Please, children, try to learn these all the things as early as possible, okay? Not only for your examination, not only for your marks getting, okay? What you have to do, please, for your future I am telling you, be perfect and be confident with the addition, subtraction and multiplication, okay? See, actually everybody will do the mistake, I can agree for that. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಪ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೇನಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಓಕೆ? ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಮೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯು ವಿಶ್, ಓಕೆ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೀಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಾದರೂ ವಿಶ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಮೇ ದಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, whether you have kept a mains or not, numbers or not, and you have touched all the mains or not. See here, children, for your future I am telling you, please try to put a question mark, question number, okay? Whether don't know, you may know the answer or don't know the answer, I don't know, but be ready to keep the numbers, okay? If we are going to give you any grace marks, if you have written the number of that question, I am going to give you 2 marks completely, okay? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, if they have given you write any two ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಓಕೆ? ರೈಟ್ ಎನಿ ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟು 3 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಎರಡೂ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಒಂದೇ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೀರ. ಎರಡನೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? ಸಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ತಪ್ಪು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ಮೇ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ತಪ್ಪು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ಮೇ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, okay? See children, in future what I am telling you, if you go for any higher studies or any examination, please try to put the question numbers compulsory, okay? Shall we start the class, children? Take out your textbook, in that page number 57 you have to open madidra. Look at C, children. See what is the answer. 3,40,645, 3,40,645 plus 2,80,730, okay? What we have to do, automatically we have to do the addition. Why? Because they have given the addition sign, okay? 5 plus 0 5, 4 plus 3 7, okay? 6 plus 7 13, 1 plus 0 1, 4 plus 8 12, okay? 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6,21,375 is the answer, okay? 6,21,375 is the answer. Check this answer children. 3,40,645 plus 3 lakh. Sorry, I have written here wrong question. Okay. What is the question there children? 3,04,546. Okay. See this one. 5 plus 6 11. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 4 9. 6 plus 5 11. 1 plus 4 5. 4 4. Then this is 6. 6,45,191 is the answer. Okay. I hope everybody have understood this one children. Write this in the MSW. Okay. Look at the problem. 1,90,841. As I said you children, everybody will do the mistake, but what you have to do after writing these all the problems, you have to check it once. Okay, then only you will come to know whether you have done it correct or not. Okay. Next, 2,80,000 730. Okay, add these two. 1 plus 0 1. 4 plus 3 7. 8 plus 7 15. 1 plus 0 1. 9 plus 8 17. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4,71,571 is the answer. Okay, this is the first answer. This is the second answer. Note down these two. If you have done it, just put a tick mark. Okay. I think you have not done the homework. I know it perfectly. That's why I am going to solve on the board everything. See here children. And also about the PDF, I have not given you 2.6 and 2.5 PDF, right? In the next class, I am going to send that 2.5 and 2.6 PDF. Okay. Only 2 exercises are there children. This MCQ, I have solved everything. Then you have written in the MSW as I said. Next, after that, work it out. I told you to write these all the things in the MSW itself. Okay. Shall I write this C and D? Next, fill in the blanks. Okay. First one. Look at second one children. Fill in the blanks. A 52,689 plus 89,756 is equals to 89,756 plus dash. Okay. See here children. After equals to, if there is an equal to, this is a LHS and it's a RHS. Okay. Left hand side and right hand side. Equals means what children? This part is equal to this part. Okay. Equal antandre ee kade idike equal irbeku, aa kade idike equal irbeku. It means LHS is equals to RHS. Okay. See here children, in LHS part 52,689 is there. Is there in that RHS? No. Automatically or no doubt we have to write this number there. Okay. 52,689. Okay. Both sides are same. Look at that. 52,689. Here also 52,689. Then here 89,756. Here also 89,756. Okay. This is about the filling the blanks of first one. B. 5,86,000. 978 plus 0. Okay. See here children. This is a fill in the blanks. Which property we have to see? When we add 0 to any number, the answer is the number itself. Automatically we have to write the number. Okay. 5,86,978. It's the answer. Okay. Next. C. 9 9,45,432 plus 1. See here children. When we add 1 to any number, the answer is the after number of the actual number. Okay, after number 9,45,432. And after number ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 9,45,433. Okay, when we add this one, we are getting the same answer children. Okay, 9,45,433. Okay, see here, if you know the properties of addition and subtraction perfectly children, automatically you are going to write the answer D without solving. 43,290 plus 10. Okay, see here, when we add 10 to the any number, the number is increased in the tens place of 1. Okay, see here, ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 10s place ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ 1 ಇದೆ, 1 increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 1 increase ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Okay, see here, 42,229. Okay, this is the answer, 42,229, 43,229. Next, E 87,199. 87,199 plus 100. Okay, 100 place ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 100 place ಗೆ 1 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 87,299. It's answer. Okay, next, write these all the things children. It is LHS equals to RHS. This is when we add 0 to any number, the answer is the number itself. Okay, when we add 1 to number, that answer is the number after the actual number. Okay, when we add 10 in the place of tens place, that is increased by 1 number. Okay, here also same property. I think you have written this one children, let me rub it. Okay, next, look at F. 34,508. 34,508 plus 67,809 plus 2,05,010 is equals to. Okay, shall I write here children? Is equals to equal sign ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 205 plus 67,809 plus dash. Okay, see here, regrouping method ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ LHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. See here, 34,508 RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, automatically we have to write that number 34,508. Okay, look at the 67 RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆನಾ? ಇದೆ. 2,05,010 ಇದೆನಾ? ಇದೆ. Okay, it is nothing but the LHS is equals to RHS, left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay, next, G 8,99,178 minus dash is equals to 8,99,078. Okay, see here children, these all the numbers are same, but what happened there, in the 100 place it is decreased. Decreased ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, 1 ಅನ್ನ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, then if we want to make it decrease, what we have to do, we have to subtract 1. Okay, say in 100 place if we subtract, what is the answer then, 8,99,078. Okay, see here, minus 1 they have given here already. ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 1 ಅನ್ನ ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ. Okay, next, look at H 7,98,123 123 minus 1000. Okay, see actually 1000 place ಒಳಗೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. 1000 place 1 ಅನ್ನು ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ the number is decreased by 1 in the 1000 place itself. Okay, 1000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಇದೆ, 8 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ 7. Okay, 7,97,120. 7,97,120. I next 5,46,258 minus 5,46,258. Okay, see actually if we subtract the number from the number itself, andre ade number na ade number ge ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0. have to write here 0 answer. Okay, next J. Look at J. 1,27,450. 1,27,450 minus dash is equals to 1,27,449. Okay, see it here. In the one, if we subtract which number and we will get here. If we subtract one number in here, we are going to get it. Okay, 1,27,450 minus 1 is equals to 1,27,449. Okay, this is about the fill in the blanks. Write these all the things. Next we move on to the third question. What is the third question? Samra bought a car for rupees. See here children, it stands for rupees. Okay, Samra bought a car for rupees 4,56,789. Okay, ಅವಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಂತೆ 4,56,789. Okay, she spent 1,23,465 on its accessories. Okay, see here, on its accessories ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಮತ್ತೆ 1,23,465 ನ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮನಿ she spent. Total money means what children? We have to add these two. Okay, left means what we have to do? We have to subtract. It's there here. Total money. Total money means automatically we have to add these two numbers. Okay, shall I rub it? Look at this one. Samra bought a cost of a car. A cost of a car. Samra bought 4,56,000. 4,56,789. Okay, then money she spent for its accessories. Money she spent for its accessories. Accessories. Okay, how many she spent children? 1,23,465. Okay, total money she spent for the car. Total money she spent for the car. Okay, we have to add these two. 9 plus 5, 14. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 12. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. 5,80,254. 4. Once again check it the answers children. 4,56,789 is there. Next 1,23,465. Okay, we have to add these two. 9 plus 5 14. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 6 15. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 4 12. 6 plus 1 8. 8 plus 3 12. Okay, sorry, 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 3 10. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 2 8. Okay, 4 plus 1 5. Total money she spent for the car is 5,80,254. Okay, see here children, up to here I am going to end up that class. Up to third main I have completed, right? This is fourth main and fifth main, sixth main, seventh main children. For your homework I am not going to solve this one in a class also. Okay, see here, I am giving you idea how to solve these all the problems. Estimate the sum to nearest tens and hundreds and thousand. Okay, see here children, first ಗೆ numbers ಅನ್ನ estimate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು addition ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ tens ಗೆ 100 ಗೆ 1000 ಗೆ. Okay, these two you have to solve. Next, write in the column format, subtract. Automatic. So this is a basic children. You have to subtract these two numbers. Estimate the difference to the nearest 10. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, there are 12,389 birds in a birds sanctuary. Out of these 7,845 birds migrated. Migrated ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಗೆ ಸ್ಥಳಾಂತರ ಆಗೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಹಾರಿ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಓಕೆ, how many birds are left in the sanctuary? Okay, left means what children? What we have to do? Automatically we have to subtract the numbers. Okay, so so try to solve these. I am not going to solve this one in the next class. Okay, then after completing please check your answers. Okay, shall I give you homework? In the next class directly I am going to start with a new chapter children. Okay, complete, work it out, work it out. Which way you have to show? 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. Okay, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th means in MSW. In MSW from textbook. From textbook. Page number what children? 57. Okay. This is a homework. Can you do this homework children? You should do it. Okay. Thank you children. Thank you for watching my video. Meet you in the next class. Have a great day. Complete, work it out. 4, 5, 6 means MSW from textbook. Okay. Thank you children. Thank you for watching my video. Meet you in the next class. Have a nice day.